Welcome back to Best English Channel. I'm Hannah, and today we are going on a trip.
Hi, Hannah. Hi, everyone. I am Lucas, and I am sitting on my suitcase right now.
Oh no! Why?
Because it will not close. I packed too many sweaters. I packed 5 sweaters for a 3-day trip.
Lucas, are you going to the North Pole?
No, but airports are cold. Airplanes are cold. I need options.
Listeners, are you like Lucas? Do you overpack?
Please say yes. I don't want to be alone.
Today's episode will help you feel calm and confident at the airport. We will teach you airport vocabulary and simple sentences you can use.
Because honestly, airports make me nervous.
Why?
There are so many people, so many signs, so many lines. And someone always says, "Passport, please."
That's normal. But don't worry. The airport has a clear path. If you know the steps, you will feel relaxed.
Okay, step by step, slowly, like my brain.
Perfect! Today we will practice check-in, luggage, security, finding your gate, boarding, customs.
Wow, that's a lot.
But we will make it easy. Before we check in, please click the like button.
And subscribe to Best English Channel.
It helps our channel grow.
And it helps your English grow.
Share this episode with your travel partner.
Or your friend who always forgets their passport.
That is very important.
Okay, Hannah, deep breath. Let's go to the airport.
First, you arrive at the airport.
I look around and see big screens with flights.
Those are departure boards.
Departure means leaving.
Correct. If you are leaving, look at departures. If you're arriving, look at arrivals.
I find my flight number.
Good. Always check your flight number.
Not just the city.
Right. Many flights go to the same city. The flight number is important. Then you look for your airline counter.
That's the check-in desk.
Exactly. You walk to the counter. The agent smiles and says, "Hello, may I see your passport and ticket, please?"
I say, "Here you go."
Very good. Then they ask, "Are you checking any bags?"
If I have one big suitcase, I say, "Yes, one bag to check."
Perfect. In your small backpack?
That is my carry-on.
Good. The agent may ask, "Did you pack this bag yourself?"
Why do they ask that?
For safety.
I answered, "Yes, I packed it myself."
Good. Now wait. The agent puts your suitcase on a scale.
And if it is too heavy,
They say your bag is overweight.
that sounds like me after dinner.
No, Lucas, it means you need to pay extra money.
How much?
It depends on the airline.
I will remove 3 sweaters.
Good idea.
Then they ask about seats. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
Window seat means next to the window. Aisle seat means next to the walkway.
I say, "A window seat, please."
Then they give you your boarding pass.
This is very important.
Yes, it shows your gate number, your seat number, boarding time.
I look at it carefully.
Always double check.
Now I see a long line.
That is security.
Everyone looks serious.
Yes, but don't worry. They say, "Please put your bags in the bin."
What is a bin?
A plastic container.
They say, "Take out your laptop."
That means remove it from your bag. Empty your pockets.
That means take out my phone, keys, coins.
Correct. Now please remove your jacket and belt.
I feel like I am undressing in public.
It's normal.
Then I walk through the metal detector.
If it beeps, don't panic.
What do I say?
Nothing, just follow instructions. Stay calm, smile, no jokes at security. Very important rule.
I'm done with security. Now what?
Look at the big screen again.
I find my flight number.
Next to it, you see your gate number. For example, gate B12.
I walk to gate B12.
Sometimes the flight says on time, delayed boarding.
Delayed means late. Boarding means get ready to get on the plane.
Exactly.
What if I can't find my gate?
Ask someone.
What do I say?
Excuse me, where is gate B12?
That's easy.
We are now boarding rows 1 to 15.
What is a row?
A line of seats.
My boarding pass says row 22.
Then wait.
When it's my turn, I walk forward.
May I see your boarding pass?
Here you go.
Then you walk down the jet bridge.
That tunnel to the airplane. I find my seat.
Put your carry-on in the overhead bin.
Overhead means above my head.
Correct.
The plane lands.
Congratulations.
Now, I follow signs to immigration.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I say, I am here for vacation.
How long are you staying?
I am staying for 10 days.
Where are you staying?
I am staying at a hotel.
Perfect answers.
Then I go to baggage claim.
Look for your flight number.
I wait at the carousel.
Carousel means the moving belt.
I see my suitcase, grab it quickly. Now I am free.
Now you can ask, where's the taxi stand? Where is the bus stop? Where is the train station?
Hannah, I feel confident now.
You're ready for takeoff. Listeners, thank you for traveling with us today.
Keep practicing. Keep speaking.
And keep being awesome.
See you next trip.
Goodbye.